How to link Venmo to TikTok shop just from your PC or from your available mobile phone just on your device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video without any further delay. Here you can see this is the Venmo official website and this is the TikTok official website. Now I have some of the written steps for you. I have created a PDF for you here. So to link your Venmo account to your TikTok shop, not your TikTok basic account, follow the steps I'm reading right now. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Then you have to click on the setting on the right top corner of the screen and click on the linked accounts tab there. Select add new and choose Venmo from the options available, and you have to enter your Venmo credentials in the option you will see in front of your screen, and then the last option is click the link account option. So yes, this is possible and you can link these both accounts available on your TikTok and Venmo. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.